John Venn, FRS, FSA was an English logician and philosopher noted for introducing the Venn diagram, used in the fields of set theory, probability, logic, statistics, and computer science. Life and career. John Venn was born on August 4, 1834 in Kingston upon Hull, Yorkshire to Martha Sykes and Reverend Henry Venn, who was the rector of the parish of Drypool. His mother died when he was 3 years old. Venn was descended from a long line of church evangelicals, including his grandfather John Venn. He began his education in London joining Sir Roger Cholmondeley's school, now known as Highgate School, with his brother Henry in September 1846. He moved on to Islington Proprietary School and in October 1853 he went to Gonville and Caius College, Cambridge. In 1857, he obtained his degree in mathematics and became a fellow. In 1903 he was elected president of the college, a post he held until his death. He would follow his family vocation and become an Anglican priest, ordained in 1859, serving first at the church in Shashunt, Hertfordshire, and later in Mortlake, Surrey. In 1862, he returned to Cambridge University as a lecturer in moral science, studying and teaching logic and probability theory, and, beginning around 1869, giving intercollegiate lectures. These duties led to his use of the diagram that would eventually bear his name. I began at once somewhat more steady work on the subjects and books which I should have to lecture on. I now first hit upon the diagrammatical device of representing propositions by inclusive and exclusive circles. Of course the device was not new then, but it was so obviously representative of the way in which anyone, who approached the subject from the mathematical side, would attempt to visualize propositions, that it was forced upon me almost at once. In 1868, he married Susanna Carnegie Edmonstone with whom he had one son, John Archibald Venn. In 1883, he resigned from the clergy, having concluded that Anglicanism was incompatible with his philosophical beliefs. In that same year, Venn was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society and was awarded a Sc.D. by Cambridge. He died on April 4, 1923. Memorials. Venn is commemorated at the University of Hull by the Venn Building, built in 1928, a stained glass window in the dining hall of Gonville and Caius College, Cambridge, commemorates Venn's work. In commemoration of the 180th anniversary of Venn's birth, on August 4, 2014, Google replaced its normal logo on global search pages with an interactive and animated Google Doodle that incorporated the use of a Venn diagram. Publications. Venn compiled Alumni Cantabrigensis, a biographical register of former members of the University of Cambridge. This work is still being updated online, see external links, below. His other works include Notes. References. External links. A Cambridge Alumni Database. The Venn Archives clarify the confusing timeline of the various Venns. Obituary of John Venn, Portrait of Venn by Charles Brock, and a link to a site about Venn. Another view of the Venn stained glass window, John Venn at Find a Grave.